soft, warm,
warm,
and enjoyed
all over the world.
But have you ever wondered
But have
how
you
bread is made?
ever wondered how bread is made? Golden soul of every loaf. Bread begins on farms, where wheat is grown. Wheat is the main ingredient used to make flour. Wheat, the heart of every loaf. After harvesting, the wheat is transported to a flour mill for processing. At the mill, the wheat is cleaned and ground into fine flour. This flour becomes the foundation of bread.
At the mill, the wheat is cleaned and ground into fine flour. This flour becomes the foundation of bread. At the mill, the wheat is cleaned and ground into fine flour. This flour becomes the foundation of bread.
From the
earth to the mill.
Here it is broken
down. In a bakery, flour is mixed with water, yeast, and salt. These ingredients combine to form dough. Flour, water. The dough is left to rest. During this time, the yeast causes the dough to rise, making bread soft and airy. The dough is shaped into loaves and prepared for baking.
The shaped dough is baked in hot ovens. Heat transforms the dough into fresh bread.
After baking, the bread cools, is sliced, packaged, and prepared for delivery.
From wheat fields to your table, that is how bread is made.
Soft, warm, a staple of life. But how does this journey begin? It starts here, in the fields. Wheat, the heart of every loaf. From the earth to the mill. Here, it is broken down, unmade. From dust, a new body is formed, given shape by water and hands. Fire gives it the final breath, broken, reformed, and reborn for us.